Hello everyone, we are Group 5, and today we're presenting our semiconductor case study on Intel for our class Engineering 102. Our group members are Quentin Mace, Landon Shepard, Dylan Brown, and Karen Koshi. Intel is one of the most influential companies in the semiconductor industry, especially known for its processors used in personal computers, servers, and now AI-focused hardware. Intel was founded in 1968 by Robert Noyce and Gordon Moore, two pioneers who played major roles in shaping modern computing. From the beginning, the company has focused heavily on innovation. In 1970, Intel built its first company-owned facility, which helped them scale production. Just a year later, in 1971, they released the world's first microprocessor, which ended up transforming what computers could do. As the company grew, Intel expanded globally, including opening a major manufacturing facility in Malaysia. By 1975, Intel's hardware was powering the first personal computers, helping launch the PC revolution. And throughout the decades, Intel has constantly pushed forward new technologies. Today, the company continues to be at the front of semiconductor development, especially as AI becomes a bigger part of the company.
Primary purpose. Intel is a company that has been around for a long time and is a very big name and that a lot of people know, even if they don't know exactly what Intel does. On Intel's website, they state, "We create world-changing technology that improves the life of every person on the planet." Their purpose being to improve life. That is something that very many people can agree with, and that's why I think a lot of people like Intel.
Employment opportunities. Job number 1. Technical sales intern, bachelor's entry. $15 to $20 an hour. This is an entry-level position and will be compensated quarterly. You must possess the below minimum qualifications to initially be considered for this position. Experience would be obtained through a combination of prior education level classes and current level school classes, projects, research, and relevant previous job or internship experience. Education requirements. Candidates must be enrolled in bachelor's degree in computer science, data science, or analytics, information systems, or engineering related disciplines with 3+ months of relevant experience. Preferred qualifications are 3.0 GPA or higher. For job number 2, Silicon Hardware Engineering Intern, $16.75 to $21.50. Job description: help us transform raw materials into silicon that powers the advanced computing infrastructure. You'll be involved in designing, building, and testing technology that's the core of the Intel's powerful processing platforms. The internship offers a chance to contribute to diverse areas in the silicon hardware and engineering field. The including roles in the silicon architecture, circuit design, general design, layout, logic, photonics, physical design, TFM, verification, product engineering and validation, and debug. Start your journey with Intel and be part of the team turning innovative ideas into reality. For job number 3, Facility Services Intern, bachelor's entry, $16.75 to $21.50 an hour. In this role, you work on specific projects to meet scope, schedule, and budget goals. You support engineering teams with key innovative ideas. You ensure safety within your area, delivering solutions to maintain site equipment and drive sustainability. You'll provide technical guidance with compliance and with safety Intel standards. Learn to review system alarms, assess your system health, and use problem-solving skills to ensure reliable and uninterrupted factory operations.
Intel is known for leading the processor and semiconductor market, and news articles continually report advancements such as expanding an AI-accelerated portfolio with the new GPU or collaborations with other significant companies to implement new projects like smart factories. As their use of AI expands, countless articles have been made in regards to the use and how it's positively shaping the future of the company's achievements.
Strengths. First, let's look at Intel's strength credibility. Credibility is very key for a company, so I did some research and we found the following. Looking into Intel's strengths, Quintessential Research says the company played a pivotal role in the development of modern computing industry most notably through its inventions of the x86 microprocessor architecture, which powers the vast majority of personal computers worldwide. This goes to show that Intel has been around for a while, is well respected, and they are already very tightly knitted into the market. They have built themselves to be a reliable option that many people choose, and it can be hard to swap out of that towards another company, especially if you're buying like Dell laptops or something. Brand recognition is important because it'll bring new buyers in their direction versus them finding another small company or a different company, and that just puts their name above everybody else. Secondly, they have a lot of strong brand ties. For example, they work with companies like Dell, HP, and Lenovo, which set a standard for Intel, and those are all very popular brands that people buy very often, especially if they're not building their own PC or they just need something that works. They also have good relationships with cloud providers, which creates demand for Intel data for their data centers and their computing products. Challenges. Some challenges Intel has been facing is their competitors have actually become more popular, such as Nvidia or AMD, becoming some of the best companies in the game. Their stocks are going up, especially in the PC market side. You see AMD becoming very popular. Nvidia has been around for a while. A ton of people like to use their parts when building a PC, especially if that's something outside of just buying a pre-built PC. Even in that case, they'll probably still have parts in there. Or just like a laptop, you just need a laptop for work or something, you'll probably have Intel parts. They have fallen back in their manufacturing delays, which hurts them very much. It's important to get products to your consumers on time. Another challenge they have faced is that other companies like TSMC have been advancing quicker than Intel has been, putting them behind the game. Or if they're not already too far back behind, they might fall back even more. Lastly, they have yet to really dive into the scene of AI, where Nvidia has dipped their toes in deep and gone to the deep end, and their AI chip into the AI chip market, which has set Intel back when there are big titans in the market surrounding these brands. AI is currently one of the biggest, most upcoming fields, and it might be smart to stay popular and put money into AI from a marketing standpoint.
For opportunities at Intel, Intel offers a wide range of career opportunities across the engineering, software development, manufacturing, business, and more, along with competitive benefits and a supportive work environment. Intel regularly recruits positions such as software engineers, SOC design verification leads, E-core engineers, manufacturing processing techs, business and customer service experience roles, entry level jobs, and internships are all welcome. The benefits they have to offer are health insurance and health savings accounts, employee stock purchase plans, compensation plans for higher level employees, paid vacation, flexible work options, and family leave up to 12 weeks. They have retirement plans that match the 401, exclusive discounts, travel parks, and elder care support. They also offer mental health, wellness programs, and tuition assistance.
The CHIPS and Science Act of 2022 ensured that CHIPS investments enhance global supply chain resilience in coordination with allies and partners. The CHIPS and Science Act was part of former President Biden's Investing America agenda for unleashing a manufacturing and innovation boom, driving U.S. competitiveness and strengthening economic and national security. In November of 2024, Intel Corp received $7.86 billion in direct funding under the CHIPS and Science Act. Overall, founded in 1968 by Robert Noyce and Gordon Moore, Intel Corporation has shaped modern technology through its semiconductor innovations and engineering excellence, offering diverse career opportunities while continuing to invest heavily in manufacturing and research to stay competitive amid rapidly advancing global competition.